Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. So for today's video, it's going to be a Q&A video. Usually I don't do much of a Q&A on my channel because जब भी मुझे कोई questions या queries आते हैं, I instantly reply them through my Instagram or my YouTube comment section. But then recently I added up a community post जहाँ पे मैंने पूछा था if anybody wants to do a Q&A and they want to ask a question. So I got a bunch of questions there. And yesterday also I uploaded a question वाला poll over in Instagram and वहाँ पे मुझे कुछ questions आए थे, so I thought of summing them all up and answering all the questions. Most of them are related to cabin crew, and I'm more than happy to be of some help to you guys. And I have a lot of questions, and we try to answer everything in detail. And if I miss something, I am always available for you guys on Instagram. You can DM me there or maybe comment on any of my posts. I'll reply if it's really urgent because मैं DM खोलना भूल जाती हूँ. And now without so the first question we have is does after 6 months of training there is any placement of guarantee? ये थोड़ा सा and I think this is related to SpiceJet only कि 6 months की training के बाद भी placement की कोई guarantee होती है कि नहीं. So first of all, if you're getting placed in SpiceJet, वो 6 months की training कराते हैं जो कि आपकी कंपनी में जॉब की साथ ही आती है. It's on the job training. You get trained and you're doing the job as well. So you're getting a stipend also. So of course you'll definitely get the job if you're doing the training. उसका कोई tension नहीं है. Don't worry about that. Then the next question, I don't know, my camera is making me look dark whenever I'm looking down. My height is 152 centimeter. Can I become an air hostess? I am so sorry to say that, but no. The minimum requirement in any airline for becoming a cabin crew is 155 centimeters. That's the minimum requirement. International airlines में और ज़्यादा requirement होती है. That's 163 and something like that, and 212 centimeters of tiptoes. So 152 का तो I don't think, because it's like still 3 centimeters कम. But still, if you want to give it a try, you might give it a try. Maybe luck काम कर जाए, कुछ हो जाए. So I'm sorry. Now the next question is how to appear for Airbus interviews. So basically अब ना इंडिगो जब इंटरव्यू के लिए पोस्ट करता है, they specify that it's not it's Airbus or it's ATR. But अभी कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता because now the company is training the crew for both the aircrafts, Airbus and ATR. So it's not necessary if you're getting trained for ATR, you might get trained for Airbus as well, and vice versa. So you need not worry for that. Still, if you have any queries, go to Indigo Careers. वहाँ पे specify होता है कि Airbus का है कि ATR का है. Then okay, this is the most asked question, that am I still doing graduation? Of course I am. Why would I leave my studies? And my mom being a CA, she would never let me leave my studies. And I personally didn't want to leave my studies because at some point of time I have to, quit this job and like come back to my home, because I definitely want to go back to my parents. I want to leave them alone. So I'm doing graduation from Amity Online. I'm doing BBA. This is my 3rd semester. अभी 4th semester start होगा. I have 1 year left. मैं 1 साल कर रही थी कानपुर में, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द ट्रेनिंग आई हैड टू लीव, सो आई हैव टू डू इट अगेन. दैट्स व्हाई मुझे 1 साल लेट चल रहा है. बट येस, आई एम स्टिल डूइंग ग्रेजुएशन. आई डू पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन एज वेल बिकॉज सम और द अदर डे आई हैव टू सेटल फॉर अ ग्राउंड जॉब. नॉट नाउ बट मे बी इन फ्यू ईयर्स. वेरी स्टूपिड क्वेश्चन. क्या आप मुझसे शादी करोगे? नो. नो मीन्स नो. SpiceJet में क्या हुआ प्लीज़ बताएं, बिकॉज ही वॉन्ट्स 2 lakhs. आई डोंट नो व्हाट द क्वेश्चन वॉन्ट्स टू आस्क, बट आई थिंक द क्वेरी इज़ कि 2 लाख रुपए मांग रहे हैं. तो वेन एवर इफ़ यू जॉइनिंग SpiceJet, वो 2 लाख रुपए मांगते हैं. दैट इज़ देयर ट्रेनिंग का कुछ सीन होता है, तो वो पैसे मांगते यू हैव टू गिव देम. दैट इज़ अ मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट. मैं ये बोलूँगी दैट इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम अ कैबिन क्रू, डोंट गो फॉर SpiceJet, बिकॉज SpiceJet का कुछ बैंकरप्सी वाला सीन चल रहा है. तो डोंट गो फॉर SpiceJet एज ऑफ नाउ. अभी मैं करंट सिचुएशन को जज करके बता रही हूँ. Then why are you not taking international flights? Do you not like traveling the world? Of course I love traveling the world and I want to. And भगवान ने चाहा तो इस साल के एंड तक मे बी मैक्स टू मैक्स नेक्स्ट ईयर तक आई विल स्टार्ट फ्लाइंग इंटरनेशनल. मेरे को तो वैसे 2 साल हो गए इंडिगो में, एंड मेरी ट्रेनिंग भी आई थी दिसंबर में, बट आई कुडंट डू इट बिकॉज दिसंबर में मेरी कज़न की शादी थी, तो आई हैड टू अटेंड दैट. एंड उसकी वजह से मैंने ट्रेनिंग पर सिक ली थी. एंड उसके बाद से मेरी अभी तक ट्रेनिंग नहीं लगी है बिकॉज एवरी मंथ आई हैव PLs एंड स्टफ. तो ट्रेनिंग इज़ लाइक 24 days का. So hopefully maybe this year or maybe the end, maybe I have more plans also. A lot of things are coming on the way. we'll figure them out together. Do you have any scars that you declared? Yes, I had a scar here. If you can see, it's here, right over here. It's visible. This is the scar that I had, and I declared it during the interview कि हाँ भाई मुझे है scar, तो मैंने दिखा दिया था, and they did not say anything. But अगर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा scar है, I'll always tell you, no, do not tell them until otherwise they see for themselves. Don't. Okay, so the next question is your 12th marks. If you're comfortable letting us know. Of course I'm comfortable. I'm very comfortable. I scored 82% in 12th, and अब मैं 10th को भी बोल रही थी, वो थोड़ा flex है. I scored 89.8 in class 10th. Actually 12th में हमने एग्जाम्स नहीं दिए थे, तो मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है. अगर मैं honestly अगर मैंने एग्जाम्स दिए तो I would have scored more because justified checking नहीं थी, तो no. From where did you complete your education? Also, are you still continuing with your studies? Yes, I'm still continuing with my studies. I've already mentioned, and I completed my education, my class 12th from Dr. Viren Suru Public School, Cant, Kanpur. It was in Kanpur only. Will you please let us know why they are telling crew to delete their videos in uniform? Actually, you'll see आजकल ना बहुत ज़्यादा Instagram पे reels वगैरह post करने लगे uniform में. See, which is inappropriate. I mean, if you're posting decent reels, it's fine. But then I have seen crew dancing in uniform and doing all the stupid stuff, which I even feel it's not good. I am working for the company, okay? So if a person sees that reel and maybe some other person is dancing or doing something or the other thing, but you know, they are representing the company by wearing the uniform, the lanyard and everything. So at the end of the day, because of the one person that did that thing, the entire company is being blamed and being pointed at. So which is not a nice thing. See, I would not like somebody coming and tell. Why is there so much of noise when I'm talking? I would not like someone coming and pointing at me that you guys do that, because I am not doing that. But because of the one person who did that, wearing the uniform, the entire thing is being blamed. कहते हैं ना, एक ही मछली पूरे तालाब को गंदा करती है. So because of that reason, I think they are telling the crew to delete pictures in uniform, and I think that's a mandatory thing. If you are posting decently, I don't think they'll say anything, because मेरी भी काफ़ी pictures है Instagram पे in uniform. But I'm not dancing in my uniform. I don't even like people are wearing the uniform from somewhere or the other, and then they're claiming to be an air hostess, which is not good, because you're actually not. They're faking it out. That also freaks me a lot, because you're not in the company. You're telling that you are in the company, but you're not. And one thing I like to say is that a cabin crew will never call themselves an air hostess. I don't like to be called an air hostess. So I'll become aggressive here. Let's skip this topic. Then any plans for international interview? I have a lot of plans, as I told you earlier. I'm not sure about international. I'm really not sure about international, because I'm a very family attached person, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to live alone outside, away from my family, because I like to visit my family every month, and living international would not be possible. Of course, I'll go international. I'll live my life for what I became a crew. I know I'll do that. Given what it takes, let's see. I'll just go with the flow. We're done with the YouTube questions. Now we'll have the Instagram question. वो 4-5 ही आए थे. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन यही था, 3 क्वेश्चन ये कि क्रू मूवी देख के आई हूँ मैं, कैसी मूवी थी. ऑनेस्टली इट्स नॉट वेरी गुड. इफ आई विल बी गिविंग द रेटिंग, तो 5 में आई गिव 3. आई डिड नॉट फील इट वॉज वेरी वेरी नाइस. कुछ इतना स्टोरी लाइन बिल्डअप नहीं था. द एक्टिंग बाय द 3 of them was amazing, but not a very good movie. But for a crew, I think you can go and watch, definitely. For a cabin crew, you can definitely go and watch. And the last question is height and weight required. So height should be minimum 155 centimeter, and weight according to the proportion of your height. So वो BMI check करते हैं. So what you can do is, अगर आपकी height 155 centimeters and your weight is suppose 40, go and do BMI calculator में height weight वगैरह डालो. अगर 25 से कम है और 18 से कम है, 25 से 18 से 25 के बीच में है, then you are good to go, and if not, then no, that's an issue. And I think that sums up all the question. Yeah, that sums up all the question. I tried answering all the question. I'm not sure if I'm skipped or missed any. If I did, you'll always have the access to comment down below and maybe DM me on Instagram. I'm there as well. I hope you liked the video and I hope this was helpful for you in any way possible. And if it was, you know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next